Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create cinematic sky in VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare the cinematic sky. You can download the cinematic sky footage from the internet, or you can use your own footage. And I have just downloaded cinematic sky from the internet. And then I'm going to go to my VN Video Editor and then create new project. Okay, and since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. And then I'm going to add my video to my project. But wait, I'm going to open up the download album and I'm going to add this video. I'm going to replace the sky in this video with cinematic sky. So I'm going to add the sky footage to this project. We can click on PIP and then select photos or videos. And I'm going to open up this folder. Okay, this is the cinematic sky I have just downloaded from the internet. And I'm going to replace the sky in my video with the sky, with the cinematic sky. Okay, we can click on the fill or fit option to fit the screen like this. And wait, I'm going to make it align with my video. So I'm going to cut my video guys. I'm going to split it and delete. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the second video and we're going to apply mask. Go to the mask option and then select the linear mask. And we're going to rotate it like this. And I'm going to adjust the feather. Okay, and then to make it looks more natural, we're going to blend it. So we can go to the blend menu. Go to the blending menu and you can choose the blending mode for your video. For me, I'm going to select darken guys, and we can adjust the opacity. Once you're done adjusting the video, you can click on the check mark. Okay, and then this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic sky using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.